Willikers, what in the world is this? Is this a moto vlog? Jeez, it's been how long since we've had one? And that, my boys and girls of the internet, is the entire reason for this video. We have a whole new topic to cover.
Nice pants. Nice pants. Nice pants. Those are nice pants.
So what would you consider yourself to be as far as a John.com 7 subscriber? Do you watch every video? Do you only watch the moto vlogs? Do you watch the informational videos like the reviews and the first rides and whatnot? So I'm going to sound like a broken record here, because I mean, how many videos have I made where I say that, oh, I'm making some kind of change to the channel, right? Well, I guess that you can say that I'm making more changes to the channel, boys and girls. And if you've been, watching the latest videos as of late, you'll get somewhat of an idea of what is to come. What do we have coming up here? A puppers? Yeah, so I kind of want my videos to be a little bit more of, I don't know, higher production than just these moto vlogs. Nothing against, moto vlog videos or moto vloggers, but an important thing to do when you are a content creator on YouTube is to pay attention to your analytics, right? That's like 101, and it's pretty blatantly obvious that the videos, that are more informational, like my review videos, they tend to do a little bit better as far as foot traffic than moto vlogs. So let's just get back into it, because I'm having a little bit too much fun out here with these knobby tires, man. Woo! Anyway, so yeah, I want to do a little bit of a change or an update to my channel. A little bit less on the moto vlogs and a little bit more concentrating on higher production videos. So that's really not to say that, I'm completely doing away with like moto vlogs, because I'm not. But I'm kind of gearing away from predominantly being moto vlogs. So if you subscribe to the channel, solely because of the moto vlogs, don't unsubscribe, because, I'm not, like I said, I'm not completely doing away with them. As you can see, you're getting one now. So give me a little bit of feedback, what you think. If this is a smart move, or if, I'm an idiot. Stick to what I know. Or, this is a good move. I've already strayed away from the schedule of a brand new video every Monday morning. So this is kind of in line with the same kind of, what I'm doing with the channel here. Trying new things, see what works, see what doesn't. Even though I've had this channel for like, I don't know, what is it? 3.5 years. I would still consider it to be in its infancy, wouldn't you? Yeah, so give me some feedback. There's a difference between actually talking to myself like I am right now and, engaging with my audience. Yeah, so while you're at it, why don't you tell me how you guys like these off-road videos? A little bit of exploration with the Grom. I think this is what grown men do with their Groms that don't have the coordination to stun them out. My homie Jerzadelphia, he's on the other side of the fence. He is stunting his out, and unfortunately, I can only say so much because of the insurance companies and whatnot. You know how that goes. But let's just say he hurt himself pretty good. He's doing okay. He's mobile somewhat. But the good thing is his heart's beating and his lungs have oxygen. Right? So everybody who watches this, be sure to wish Jerzadelphia a speedy recovery. I have no idea where I'm going. None of this looks familiar. I think that's the trail, right? I definitely didn't cross a bridge. This is quickly going to turn into how John.com gets lost in unfamiliar territory. Hey guys, doing some channel updates. changing my channel around. At the same time, I want you to watch me get lost as What do you think? No, right? I didn't pass this branch thing. Right? I should have probably paid more attention to how I was coming in from, right? Great, how am I supposed to do this? Oh, come on. No, no, don't. Oh, that was completely open. I'm going to take this 5 feet at a time, I guess. I don't know if the GoPro is going to capture how steep this hill is. Not likely. Oh, she's doing it. Atta girl. Yeah. Shout out to Maxxis, man, for making a real solid dirt tire for this Grom. There's no way, aside from lifting the bike up and carrying it, that this bike would have made it up that hill or even through that mud with stock tires. Oh, boy. Well. Come on, girl. All right. There we go, atta girl. Got to clean these tires out. I don't have any traction, but anyway, I think that's going to conclude this little rare gem of a moto vlog. Now, if you take anything out of this video, like I said, please just leave me feedback on what you think as far as, take for instance the last 2 videos. The first one was the unboxing of my new Shoei RF1200, and then the Bell Qualifier helmet review. All right, so leave me a comment. Let me know how you feel, if it even affects you. Anyways, guys, as always, thanks for watching. I'm John.com, and I'll see you in the next video. All right? Goodbye.
Nice meme.